Yes, sir.
You be the idea.
You are the appreciation.
Okay.
Oh, okay. We are so sorry for the breaking. I don't know what happened. The thing just went off, but we are back now. Once I look, but network is sure where no. Believe we network you'll see it. You break the music. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Play that.
Yeah.
plate, bring your plate. Bring your plate, no chef food. Hey, that's my Iyowa in the building. Mrs. Ife Ode. Oh, no way, hey, my superwoman. Oh, JJ Barinoga. You too much. Yes. Una do well for my body. No, thank you. Igbe ya fefe iwa muri oto ya pon wa. Imegbe yori oto ya pon wa. Udan adere wa. O ti aje Ibe Dublin Ireland. Wa we say. Emaya Feni come from far and near. No do grace the occasion. Osalo working afia gbo ya fefe. He has no guy gbese ya veke na ya pon wa say next year. E to here say so the little strength ni many ya pon wa na believe we wa ye all heart or ya take care from me because the love wa show me ikakabo wa bege omala fake. It was not fake love. It was real. Yes, in France and the France and I am going to focus on fans, my fans that love me, to make them proud. I will make sure you will never regret why you ever loved and support Lady of Song. Yes, that is my priority. I can work hard night and day to give you guys good music. Yes, good comedy, to put smile on your faces. The troubles that this life is bringing, but sometimes I have an easy glimmer of the stress. We smile. So I will make sure I do that. Because there is no medicine, no healer say laughter. Yes. So I am here to appreciate all the social media presenters from Edo State that supported this show, that uses their platform to announce this show to the world. Not if you say you sit down for your house, they talk and say, they go far. Social media, a very powerful thing. They reach where you least expect. So for using your platform to promote this very show that I did yesterday, and I saw the turn up, the first one. As far as popo ka oni gbenye ni ogbona gwogo ina mu fi epo oko osanyeti and God get power. I am here to appreciate my lovely lady Stainless Amadi DJ Kubana. The Kubana DJ. Stainless, where you there? Is Stainless in the building? May they invite her for me. May they invite Stainless for me. Now God will bless you. God will embarrass you with blessing, with better thing, because you be better person. Because a lot of people can Stainless. Even we are use a platform anyway, you promote a show now. Even when you can't carry you, even you money I met you, but osanu dazi no emi no that we worry okay and kill your anyway. Or we put a smile, no put it on my face, or we return it to you. Stainless, God bless you. I love you. And the second person he can appreciate, Onarai Lolo. The golden fish. Mrs. Lolo, the golden fish. Lolo Igwe. I'm short of words, but it's okay. May God bless you, ma. May God bless you, ma. May God bless you. Ese no me. No ya promote a show now. Una we time where they should start promoting this show. not only doing it, una le time where let's start promoting this show. Edo where a woman I wanna meroji. Woman wanna meroji. Saloba no la wo no get unwaragbon. We are still going far. We are going bigger. And we are going to be proud of ourselves when the time comes. We will never regret ever supporting our own. No, it's time we make our own win. My lady Lolo, God bless you, ma. God bless you for promoting this show. I love you so much. Thank you. And the next person is Mommy Iyore One of Paris. Mommy Iyore One of Paris. Okonomo say Ije Nogi. Saluba hian debawe. Uwese kakabo. Uwese kakabo. Ijo monukin agenge monume nuya promote show na. Saluba already go ero neye. Saluba no debawe. Saluba ni ya no dawo worion no we ya nwe. Wenu ya yo bono obono mave ya moge e mave osanu dazi okiave osanu dazi. Okay. Osanu dazi. Okiave wo gwenwe. I hold it, bring it back. Osanu dazo hi anfi angbo eje ke ojakoya nu ririye you go with her, you go with her. We say you know we Mona help me appreciate my beautiful mommy, Mommy Iyore One of Paris. I'm going to appreciate it. Boko ni jeno enegbe no ere no ame ya gbo mono. I'm going to appreciate it. And another person I want to appreciate again. Another person I want to appreciate again. Although it was a little bit surprising to me, but I'm not surprising megbe. You know, see no man surprising megbe. You know, say no man surprising megbe. Ikata the live video. Ikata iwe. Why I feel maybe ma misbehave in the live video. Mani we do. Ma we megbe ma kakabo. And we mo mani she wa beg any. In a rat side, what a lady or song pretend or beg any. We mani we do ma we megbe ma. And if there's anyone I'm your way or my even I love here through this that we are showing, they are going to learn how to love. Umenwai one, Umenwai talk show. Umenwai talk show. I know say it surprised many people say, why this body? Tina, as I they talk to una Tina. I don't get that guy number. We know they talk. I never talk to them once. But the way they carry this show, it shocked me. Me, lady of song, or shocking me. I know they still shock so many people. But if I tell, as I'm talking to you now, it may be a phone, come and thank you, USA, for promoting the show. I am doing it right now here. Understand me now? I want to thank God for touching him, for making him to realize that love wins. Love. And when you have love in your heart, it supersedes every other thing. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much for you to realize we are one and we remain one. And you came out to begin to support my show. Please, we're going to appreciate it. We're going to appreciate it. God bless you. I love you. Umenwai Talk Show. You are a great person. You are a nice person. Thank you. And BNB Saloba any mo segbe. I don't know Saloba yeni. Oh man winning winave. Mama BNB. Saloba. That woman, you carry fire. Please, my people, help me appreciate that woman. Oh no mo say BNB Talk Show. She was, in fact, before me watching your name live video. I did as I did watch BNB. They do live video for show. She did well. A show ni or or make her with a part of a contribution. When Oya promoted the show to yesterday she was with me. Imane Ronika Munwe, Imame Miniu Noe, even the show promoters, I don't think they gave you anything, but because of the love, no me danye do no kame do. Oya gele we I must make sure we show na ogba ona gele gba iye no gi mommy B&B. God bless you. I love you so much. God bless you. Frank Victor, yes, that Frank Victor be name. Frank Victor Omenwine talk show. Baba with his smile. Yeah, the next person is Rita. Madam Rita Ayemiomo. Madam Rita Ayemiomo talk show. Okpoko niye. Wonderful woman. God bless you, ma. God bless you, ma. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. I really appreciate. I appreciate your efforts in this very show. God bless you. Then I proclaim the Godfather. Yes. Now try where. Now God now go bless you now. God now go bless you now. You guys were also there to promote this very show, and as it be success now, we all share in the glory. Yes, we all share in the glory. Aproko people, you guys are wonderful and you guys are doing a great job. May God bless you. May God bless you for promoting this very show. Then Dada Masses, God bless you. God bless you, my darling. You have done well. You did well. The effort you put in to promote this show, may God reward you, my brother. May God reward you. Thank you. Congrats, Efe. Wa la ya gari Manchester wa baba me ni ya hu me you wa igagwa le lady osonga me mi we ni ye Nigeria e mani me wa suspect go we congrats Efe ye Koko Junior. That woman may not go, make she not go kidnap me. Oh, the way no ya mwegbe, you understand. Mona help me again. Wa go me wa tame. Thank you. Ogiri go fie go. Oye na fie nya loco. Call my bag. Bear your tickets. One. Congrats, Efe. May they twirl for you. You too much. Congrats, Efe. You are such a wonderful woman. I love you so much. Iye Koko man. And Mary Edos. Mary Edos is not ga. Who is Zuzu? Man, I for you. Mary Edos. The only Mary Edos. The CEO of Expression. I am using this medium to tell you guys. Yes, he is the what will I call it? People will invent when they invent. Now he starts time. So wanna support Mary Edos. Buy your Expression. You understand? Mary Edos, God bless you, my darling sister. You remember my sister. You know, say you talk one thing that they say, man, I don't marry you. You know, say I love you so much. And you remember my sister. God bless you, Mary Edos, for supporting and promoting this very show. God bless you. And hey, my Baba of all Baba, double chief, Ambassador Dion Osage. May God bless you, Baba, for being there. You supported. May God bless you, Baba. You supported. You came all the way to, grace the occasion, and you also promote this show. No, say you na my own. Definitely, you already me working. So when man have support a show, me I work me now. So now we may manage this anywhere because a show now we went no. Oh, when no, Baba. Thank you so much, my Ambassador John Osage. And another person I want to appreciate again is who the Zuzu. Ula no one call measure. Ula no ala. Baba where they boom boom, baba everywhere they shake. Our social media president, one Magba River. Our social media president, Baba Eddie Murphy Idahosa and his wife. May God bless you, sir. May God bless you, sir. Where's it, Baba? For promoting. Now the whole journey, what die. Now the whole journey, the whole land. Me a wale Germany e ya wa piri. Na only pa, you know reach two. Only pa na in dey do one. My social media president, Baba Eddie Murphy Idahosa, and his first lady, Mrs. Isoke Idahosa. May God bless you. God bless you. I appreciate. Then DJ Ike. DJ Ike. That one of those ones that day for Europe for that side. They prepare, they wait for me. DJ Ike, thank you for promoting this very show, this tour. May God bless you. May God bless you, sir. And Charles Squad. Charles Squad. You know that we get many all these bloggers. We have many of them. I don't know many of them. The ones if I mention your name, no, I remember. If I don't mention your name, doesn't mean you have not done well. Please. Charles Squad. I saw them. They were promoting this very show. May God bless you. May God bless you. Then African France lady. African France lady. God bless you, ma. Na Sagata or na woman. May God bless you for promoting this very tour. May God bless you for the advert you did for us. Then Oversabi people. So the people behind that page, Oversabi people, may God bless you all. May God bless you all. Now do it for lady of somebody. Then there was a lady that did one Olokun dance. That lady, I did one Olokun dance. I don't know her. Her name is Ri Usembo, something like that. Ri Usembo. I saw her video, the one she did. My lady, may God bless you. May God bless you. Osanu Dazi. Osanu Dazi no yagbon yemi. Okay, bless you for promoting this very tour. Esther Talk Show. Esther Talk Show. Esther Talk Show. He's Aloba. My namesake. My beautiful mama. My thick mama. Authentic mama. Esther Talk Show. I saw all you did. May God bless you, ma. May God reward you for promoting Lady of Song, for promoting this show. I love you. I love you, my lady. Then Aduro One Mama. I don't know if that is the right name, but he mentioned it. Aduro One Mama. Thank you so much, my brother. May God bless you. May God bless you. Everything I am saying now is from my heart and it's going to touch you. It's going to touch you. May God bless you, my brother. Aduro One Mama. May God bless you. Mommy Queen Osawenira Zowegie. Thank you so much, my darling sister, for promoting this show. You did very well. I saw your work. God bless you, ma. Queen Osawenira Zowegie. Ijenogie. Wese kakabo. Then Madam Okpaika. Mommy Okpaika. God bless you, ma. Thank you. And you know, you said you are going to sit and start bombing this show. We never do London. We never do Manchester. Mommy, get to work. Yes, we are your own. Get to work. Mona, come buy tickets. London is the next one. Although Manchester is very close. It's just 2 days. 2 days difference. As you are buying London tickets, now wait there for Manchester. Start buying your ticket. Please. Mommy, God bless you. There's one woman I saw a video. I've mentioned Lolo Talk Show. Yes, I started with Lolo. This one woman I saw that did a video for me. The woman is fair. I don't know if you can bring the video so that she will know that she's the one I am talking to. The woman is fair. She's an advanced woman. She did a video for me. I search everywhere for her page, for her handle. I no see her. Because I wanted to write her. Mona help me say, God, now go bless her. Even though ya yo bonoma, ya moro mave, Osanu Dazi. Okay, yo bonoma, ya more. Osanu Dazi. Okay, yo bonoma. This is the woman I am talking about. Ijo mono. Wagumen niru ne. Tohian Tony Maga, Osalobo here fiangbo Ijenogi, Wese Kakabo, even we are promoted show menage. Eti me ya mo me but Osalobo okay and sawe say. Yes, I want to appreciate my beautiful Lady J. Thank you. God bless you for promoting this show. I love you so much. And Mama Didi Canada show. Mama Didi Canada show. God bless you, ma. God bless you. I appreciate you for the promo you gave to me. And you understand. Thank you. And I want to appreciate Walawo Wonona is very special. No one is not special. But this one. Owoken JJ Barry. Owoken JJ Barry. Mrs. Ivie Ode. Since I work, I never see person like this woman. The way she take, they get the way God take create and her own way too different. Won't I me appreciate this woman? I'm going to want to my house and no dazi. Okay, I bless her. Me also love bless her ne but a blessing bungbe or her add to her blessing. She and her household. Also love add to her blessing because oko no enegbe no on enegbe egbe on ene because of no enegbe o setting we no one. I'm going to my house and love working and fian gbe. No evil eye shall see our family, our home. They are covered by the blood of Jesus. Osaloba no blessed JJ Barry ni ma. No rie agbono time ne. Ege me mi no kian meti wo mo eru dan. Osaloba na e ma ya motinya. Osaloba no bless any man no ye adu mo. No ye adu no ye meti atu ye do mu. No atemu ni ma because ireme yeke gaka. May God bless you, Baba JJ Barry, and your beautiful wife, Mrs. Ivie Ode. I love you. I love you. Daddy Osamede Omo Enabu. The man will come pick me for airport. Now no one I'm seeing her for the video. That is my daddy. Oh. My daddy. Baba Osamede Omo Enabu and wife. God bless you. Wawe selekbeme. You know why you basi ya moment. You know why I'm there to make sure this show or gele ba. So Lord can bless you when daddy and my beautiful mommy. God bless you. Then Mommy Gladys Amadi. Mommy Gladys Amadi. That is the name of her talk show. I've forgotten. I know what they talk about now. Mommy Gladys Amadi. God bless you, ma, for promoting this show. I think I've mentioned Naomi. Mommy Naomi. Naomi. Is it Naomi talk show? Naomi talk show. Now, know the name why they talk about now. That beautiful makeup artist where they teach us how to do makeup for live video. Yes, she's a wonderful woman. Now God will bless you for me. Naomi, I love you so much. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you. I'm coming there. I'm coming there. I'm coming there. Man, if you appreciate my Zion people. If Zion anymore say Zion, oh yeah. Okay, Naomi plus Graham. Yes, Naomi plus Graham. Thank you, ma. If Zion anymore say ni ro wa ke ni risi wa we say most especially if Zion ni Ireland. You know what do ya mudia me wa na gele treat me na treat je na treat omo. In a treat or 10. So Lord can bless you. My assistant committee chair lady, Mommy Mason Joseph. God bless you, ma. I really appreciate all you did. My beautiful Lady Rachel. Omonomuse. God bless you, ma. Member of Zion Ladies Select Club of Nigeria. My beautiful Mommy Faith Elliott. Boko Nije. We have go France. Nothing they solve. God bless you, ma. And my beautiful lady Meg, God bless you, ma. Meg Nije, thank you for being there for me. Then Iyutete, Ije Ogelekin, Ije no ame yagbomo. God bless you, ma, for promoting this show. Saloba can feel boy. Iyutete, I love you. Thank you so much. Then my crew, the band that played for me yesterday, the crew members, the section men, the instrumentalists, my experts. Ime wa ya ha we ma gado we na we hon ese na do we na manage, but It was beyond my expectation. Or see, tell me where he expect too much. He cannot be disappointed. But Osalobana, he were me doing a surprising me. It was a surprising thing to me. The way they played. My God. Eya baby. Ona ina mi weti Meriku we Nigeria. So I want to appreciate Melody. Melody is also a leader of a band here. Melody, he was on keyboard and also he was chorusing. May God bless you. May God bless you. Then Beckley's okay. Of your Kenimo say. You know, digitally, you know, the young doing. Beckley's okay. God bless you, sir. Was the one playing the lead guitar yesterday. Then Osamede, Baba Osamede was on bass. God bless you, sir. You really did well. Then Baba Osawaru was the drummer. How many the drummer and got driving me crazy another? Or drumming me. God bless you, sir. I really appreciate. Yes, you are talking about. Then Mommy Ivie Ero. Is it Erio? Okay, Ivie Erio. God bless you, ma. Now not the Ivie where they talk about now. Ivie Erio. God bless you, ma, for promoting this show. Osaloba no fiangboe. Love you. Who again? Atiti. Prophet Atiti. Baba. Era no gie. The way we want. Baba Atiti. Where say Baba? Where say Kakabo? Where say Kakabo? Saloba fiangboe. No give away ye. Where ya fefe wa where say. Then the organizers. So Esther Talk Show. I don't mention Esther Talk Show now. Yeah, I don't mention her. Esther Talk Show, my namesake. So I want to appreciate the organizer of this show. Yes. Somebody of Ambassador JJ Barry Conglomerate. Hey, Baba. Bianetiti. Ambassador Sir Destiny Osagwe Ebagwa. Ambassador Richie, the ambassador Yone, because it's too much. Then what was it? Ovie Dokbolo, 1 million sound entertainment. Okay, Ovie Dokbolo, 1 million sound entertainment. That the Richie, Ambassador JJ Barry, Ambassador Destiny Ebagwa, they are the people who put head together and say, let us do this thing. And I want you all to help me pray for them. What they need from us is prayer, nothing more. They are not asking us to come and bring money. No, they are not asking us for anything. All they need is our prayer. And I want to beg every one of us. Because emi no mame to you boge doleji. Emi no mame you bo doleji. Maga you bo doleji. E manabi ri no ro. Wagi ma yerun ya suyan. Ni ameke na amiti ni gyodu egberame. Eke ba no time to promote Edo. To promote Edo. No matter what promote Edo na. Akbe Edo wa ni ahewe. E o keke ni do pa no sisi. No seke no re. And these people, they have the capacity to do it. So all they need from us is prayer. First OZ. Yes, he's in charge of my Paris show. First OZ. God bless you, brother. God bless you. He's also na musician. I don't say na musician. When I help me pray for, I go bless and DJ. DJ Budeti from Amsterdam. DJ Budeti from Amsterdam. God bless you, sir. God bless you for everything.
Let them know this presenter. Let them know this is just the first show. We still have more than 15 shows. So anyhow, organize one.
Yes. If you know there is somebody I'm not mentioning his or her name, please, before I end the live video, help me to write the person's name. Please. If you know the person really promoted us, promoted this show, and I am not mentioning the person's name, please help me write the person's name. And I want to appreciate all my friends, my families, for all my fans, for supporting me, because I saw all what you guys did by posting the posters and all that. May God bless you. May God bless you all. My Precious Flex, Rex, Glory Obaz, all the musicians, all the artists. May God bless you all. I love you all. And don't forget, the show hasn't started. Show never starts. That was the preamble. Show never starts. I just use that one to say more mercy as the agility one be. London show. We never enter Europe. We never go that side. We have more than 20 shows to play. More than 20 shows to play. The one that is remaining in London and Manchester, that too. If you even pass so, we don't know. Please, if you your corner say we still want mail lady or something do more before she go. Before I reach when I want to go Europe. Please, I want to beg all the presenters. Wala wo. Imuna me swen. Why wa fi okay ma help ene ma wene ma why la wo. Why getting ye fuwa. Why getting ye fuwa. Why you support. Why you go post. Why you go talk about the show. Wala wo. So that imani me because social media is a very big platform. So by the time we are doing more publicity, who never know go they know, who never hear go they hear. So please, all the presenters, why you go make your promo why you go make your post why you go make your talk about why we are live video no really care. Okay, London is on the 13th. So please, you can post only that London home. If you know, even if you never post the rest. As far as London is the next one now. Yes. So you can post only the London poster. I will drop it so that people will never get them, may they forget them, may they see me post them. Wala wo wo. And I will drop the number you will call. I will drop the number you will call. Come here, drop the number no here call, no here the ticket. The number no here call, no here the ticket. On the 13th, where the show? We in London. This very next week Friday, 13th, where the show? We in London. Why the ticket? Imao ni no cast no so na the way e mari buy in abata we e son ma ye na e son mero leni me gwani gbali bata e son mero en oni wa ye fi we wo na imao ni anybody do aruwo ni we yin mari ni space total yiwo wa imao no je very oni. So buy your ticket on time. Wa bege we no de na e we yara aruwo wa e we yara the daily ticket yan e we yana the total. E bok para e complain no de we man yin gire ya we man na pay go ni la o wa e bo na we pay go we na we la wa. So imao ni e teme ro pa aruwo ni ari buy yin go ni gugu agbe o ne o para the ticket e nobody can pin yin man na pin e nobody can pin yin man na wa call e wa WhatsApp anyone that is quicker we making out the ticket. Philip Donacia, God bless you, sir. So then okay, a Manchester na 15. Which is on Sunday. Unage woman meeting me talk to okay London. You can swear buy for Manchester. I think the ticket in Manchester. Waiting you had the waiting you viva. I enjoy it too much. Enjoy it the book where about over bonnet. I don't enjoy. I don't enjoy it since 2 years or work banana keru over. So you might do enjoy. What a viva is not bad.
From JJ Barry Conglomerate, we want to give your top fan 2 VIP tickets. Let's start
okay.
With London.
Good. So the organizer is just announcing to me now. Ambassador JJ Barry Conglomerate said he is going to give my top fan two of my top fan
2 VIP tickets.
the 2 VIP tickets. Wow. Who be the person? May we see the person.
Just ask any question of your choice. If you get them, then they will get the ticket.
Okay. if they are living in Manchester or London, anyone.
London.
Okay, London. Okay, so hey, it don't happen. It don't set. Now, Ambassador JJ Barry Conglomerate say make I ask question. Say any question when I ask for year, and if you feel answer am, you dey for London, you'll get a ticket to enter the hall that day. Can't you watch Lady of Song? So which question I will ask now? Let me think. Mommy Love Talk Show. Mommy Love Talk Show. Yes. God bless you, Elizabeth Oni. Mommy Love Talk Show. May God bless you, ma. May God bless you, ma. Thank you for promoting this very show. God bless you. Yeah, well, no.
Anybody will get the date of this coming Edo Festival. The 2 days they wanted on.
Good. Yeah, the first question is now 2 questions I want to ask. The first question I want to ask now. Who go fit get the date of this coming Edo Festival? So the upcoming Edo Festival they want to do so. The date and the month. Who go fit get them? If you know the date and the month where they want to do this coming Edo Festival. So may we hear them. Yeah, Ebony Billions in the building. May we hear them. May they hear them. Hope you understand what I talk. This upcoming Edo Festival where they want to do this year. So if you know, you know.
Okay, right.
You know the date and the month.
I want that money.
November 15. Or October.
Anyway.
Exactly.
Precious Flex, they say 17 to 19 September.
Yes. Yes.
She correct?
Yes, it's correct.
This one says 17th. Yes.
Wow!
Precious Flex, yes.
Precious Flex says 17 to 19 of September. She got it right. She got.
have one VIP ticket.
Oh, it's so fortunate she's not in London.
Bless you.
Oh no, you are not in London. Okay, next question. Let me think. Everybody was 17 to 19. Oh, come here.
The mama says 17 to 19 free ticket.
Mama, when I get free ticket today? Agua, let me hear mama. Ebony na lie, not be 17, make they go. You collect her for Holland. A person we have collect every Holland. That time, I was on the JJ by not there again. Exactly. Not there again. Oh my God. Okay, let me think. Next question to ask. Help me.
As the one is your first show.
My first show in Europe.
Which date?
Who can tell me my first show in Europe, the date and the month
And the city.
and the city? Let's hear it. Now 3 things. So my first show in Europe, the date, the month, and the city. Let's go. If you win now, if you're not there, London. Even if you're not there, London, we'll give you the tickets for there. Let's go there.
Make her come out your teeth.
Say, let's do the London answer the questions. I go come out your Tito. Hello? Not be you, na Precious fair writer. Na lie, na Precious fair writer. I see her. He able to comment. I will come out your teeth now. What will you speak? I go come out your teeth. No, if you go read, then you will see and say na Precious so fair enter before your own follow. Now your own follow. Ebony billions. Of yeah. Oh.
She She walk up.
Oh, here, do loud. I'll bet you one of London. A bit of you what is it of UK again?
Unstoppable greatness on the time.
Another person.
That's
Where is it?
okay.
Unstoppable
Greatness, love.
I never seen him. Hey,
28?
okay, say
8,
28 8.
2021.
Unstoppable Gracious, where are you watching from? Unstoppable. Where are you watching from, ma?
Lucky best still getter. Paris 28th of August. No, Unstoppable Greatness, love me.
Is it Paris 27?
August 28th, yeah, there.
Okay, Unstoppable Gracious, you have won. Then you can inbox me. I don't know where you are. You are watching from anywhere. Inbox me, then we will know how to go about it. If they come, fly come London, just buy a ticket, fly down, then we are good to go. Let me say we'll give you the ticket, you can't go give another person. Oh. Now you can't use and enter by yourself. You understand? I've mentioned these people's name. I've mentioned their name. Yes. Why I always say la the music you many making on round up. So London City, Manchester City, where una dey? Wanna go get no problem. Yeah, Juliet is saying we are giving her the tickets. Now only she, only two people, only she. We'll give her the ticket, no problem. Make she trust me. Okay, God bless you, Trixie, Michelle, Mama Joy Talk Show. God bless you, Mama Joy Talk Show. Thank you for promoting this program, this very show. And you are also be promoting Lady of Song. Mama Joy Talk Show. God bless you. God bless you, ma. Where say you no give? Where say kakabo? Play guitar for me. Hey. What a God way. Good day.
Women.
Mommy Heli Samuel. Golaya no red agume. Never de wawane. Ebe na we no deru. Never de wawane. Na we no deru. Ewe surije. Umozo be golaya. Ewe surije. Umozo be golaya. Ebe na we no deru. May I not forget. I want to appreciate my friends, my colleagues that also posted this very show. Ebony Billions. Ebony Billions. My darling. You are a darling. Thank you for promoting me. And Marisi Yamu, thank you for posting this very show. Influence Akaba. Thank you so much, darling. You are blessed for promoting your colleague. Stali O Iyona Wan Ogarin. Thank you so much for promoting me. You are a darling. I love you. Stali O Iyona Wan. You are a darling. My blood brother, Oleti International. Thank you so much for promoting your sister. I want to wish everybody will promote me, will post this thing, even if I don't mention your name. You know, say I forget. You know, say this head sometimes they break down. The brain carry plenty load, no verse put. So the ones when I just remember, I say make I appreciate them. I have a colleague, no way where I will no ma. I will you boy yo. I love you all. Thank you. I want to say good night from you all.
The young legend. You tell me that you on my call, or every no.
Yes, why wa here why wa say we will see again on the 13th. Go buy your ticket because that one now if person they do exercise we say they warm up. That one now warming up. Wanna go buy ticket. I love you all. Good night. Bye.